Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can get Fortnite on PC. Now first and foremost, you want to have an Epic Games account, as well as you want to download the Epic Games launcher. Once you have these two steps done, you want to come over to the store, and over here in search you just write Fortnite. It's gonna be the second option right there. Click on it. Once you click on it, for me it's written in library. Now this game is free, so you don't have to spend any money. All you want to do is press on play. That's gonna be over here, or add to library, something like that. You just want to do that, then it's gonna get added to your library. And once it's added to your library, all you want to do is download it and then launch. That's about it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.